Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake like a bakery. Achieving that perfect bakery-style cake starts with the right foundation. Always opt for fresh, high-quality ingredients, as they significantly impact the final taste and texture. Precision in measuring is crucial. Even a small deviation can alter the cake's structure. Remember to bring all your ingredients, especially butter and eggs, to room temperature before mixing for a smooth, emulsified batter. The way you mix your batter is key to a tender crumb. Begin by creaming your butter and sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy, which incorporates essential air. Then, add your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry and wet ingredients, mixing only until just combined to avoid overdeveloping the gluten, which can lead to a tough cake. Proper baking and cooling are critical steps for a professional finish. Always prepare your cake pans meticulously with grease and flour or parchment paper to prevent sticking. Bake your cakes at the recommended temperature, resisting the urge to open the oven door, especially during the first 2/3 of baking. Once baked, allow them to cool in the pans for about 10 to 15 minutes before inverting onto a wire rack to cool completely. For that polished bakery look, choose a stable and flavorful frosting that can be applied smoothly. Start with a thin crumb coat to trap any loose crumbs, then chill the cake before applying your final, thicker layer of frosting. This technique ensures a flawless exterior. Remember, presentation matters, and speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after all that baking. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.